Here's what says, those parents be a good girl.
What does it say?
It said, parents need to be a good girl then.
Oh, Paris needs to be a good girl. Is that what it says in there?
Yeah.
Oh. May pa ka nakabasa ka na. Di ko kabasa na, oy.
So what do you have to do? What do you have to do before you eat that?
Eat strawberries and dinosaur chicken.
That's right. And
Hello, everyone. Hello. Oh.
No, better one bit.
How are you, Baba? Come here, Nakbi. We'll see if you have the same face na. Come here. Come here. Boo. Smile na. Oh my God, guys. Sobra akong natakot talaga kasi yung gatas, hindi siya spit up, vomit na talaga siya. Yung gatas ay lumabas sa kanyang bibig and also through her nose. Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy, what day is it today?
7.
It's Saturday. Saturday. It's Saturday and kakabalik ko lang mag-vlog, guys. I haven't vlogged for the past couple of days, I think. And yeah, parang nabaguhan ako, guys, na mag-vlog ngayon. Anyways, here's our daddy and our baby, love.
I want to see the baby. I just want to see me.
Hello. There's the skin peeling. Ayan. So, our baby girl is now 2 weeks old. Today.
3?
2. Yes, 2 weeks old.
I'm not
Ito my cutie girl. She's sleeping kasi nagdidi siya. And hinawakan siya ni Daddy
3 years
Mike
old?
para makapag-ready si mami niyo.
Not 2.
How old are you?
3.
3?
We're gonna go get.
Show me your outfit, B. Show me your outfit. Quick. Show me your outfit. Tita wants to see your outfit. Come on. Come on. Wow. I love your outfit. See, I love the
Show like a
ripped
drum.
jeans.
Hello, pink.
Like a.
Hula hooping? Like a drum. Ooh. What was that? What was that? Ang bulingit nga si Punon nga bata. So, bibihisan ko lang si, Baby CELINE. And then, we're gonna go for a walk outside, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo yung suot ni mami nyo. Kasi maganda yung araw today. Pakita ko yung outfit natin, ha. So, ayan. Pa-outfit ni mami nyo. Oh, excuse the dirty mirror. Kapag si Paris talaga dito, guys, naglalaro ng mirror, yan yung nangyayari. So, ayan. Suot ko pala yung bike shorts. I love bike shorts at the moment kasi parang naano yung chan ko. It's very, very comfortable actually. So, meron tayong white na parang ano pala to siya, guys. Galing to siya ng Pinas. From my sister. Diba sabi ko sa inyo yung sister ko nag-ukay-ukay. And then, nagmamay na ko walang bayad-bayad. Tapos pinadala niya dito. Long time ago na. Ngayon ko lang nasuot. So, ayan. Love it. It's Mickey. And then, I've got my Mickey shoes as well to pair with that. At yan lang ang ating pa-outfit. Very comfortable kasi maglalakad tayo. Honey, gonna put the hat on. Shush. Where did you go, sweetheart? Did you see Lola? Where's Lola going? Is she? Is she walking too, like us? Just put this on. Ayan na. Bihisan muna natin, guys, ng napi. Before tayo alis. Kiss her, Papa. Nabihisan ko na, guys. Ayan. So, she looks really warm now. Aww. Hello, sweetheart. Can't believe it's been 2 weeks. You've been with Mama and Daddy and baby Ate Paris for 2 weeks now, honey. You're a cutie pie. You're a cutie pie. Si binhisan ko siya, hindi na siya umiiyak, guys. Minsan umiiyak pa rin siya, but most of the time, parang settled na siya. Hindi na siya paiyak-iyak. And Daddy Mike's there. Got the pram ready. Ang ating bulilit na istorya. Ayan. There you go. All ready to go. So, hindi tayo nakapag-vlog for the last couple of days, guys. Kasi, sobrang na-stress. Sobrang na-stress si mami niyo. Di ba na-mention ko sa inyo before about nung pumunta kami ng maternal and child nurse, and sinabi ko na about baby Celine's spit ups, and minsan nagva-vomit siya. So the other night, 2 nights ago ata, nagpadedi ako sa kanya. Ay, umiyak na. So, nagpadedi ako sa kanya. And then, oh my God, guys, sobra akong natakot talaga. Kasi, yung gatas, hindi siya spit up, vomit na talaga siya. Yung gatas ay lumabas sa kanyang bibig and also through her nose. At sobrang dami talaga, guys. Kaya, sobra akong natakot. And, alam niyo na, like, vlogging would be the last thing on my mind. Pag, you know, may mga pangyayari na ganyan. So, that's why hindi ako nakapag-vlog. So, we took baby Celine to the doctors kahapon. I've been reading a lot online naman kung ano yung dahilan. And they're all saying, kahit sa YouTube, yung mga doktor, they're all saying that spit ups, they're very normal para sa yung newborn babies. Kasi nga, diba, yung sphincter ba yun? Na parang tube siya, you know, between the esophagus and the stomach. Immature pa daw. So that's why hindi pa nakaka-hold ng ng pagkain talaga si baby. And then, yes, honey, it's not enough for me yung magbasa-basa lang ng ganun. So I really, Daddy Mike nag-book siya ng doktor. Yes, anak.
Come on.
Okay, alright, we'll go, okay? So, nag-book si Daddy Mike ng doktor kahapon. And then, we went to our GP. And, because I really want to hear it from the GP herself. You know what I mean? Kasi hindi talaga enough yung nagbabasa ka lang and nanonood ka na in YouTube. It's not enough at all. So, gusto kong marinig talaga galing sa kanya. And, yeah, it's good. It's good to hear. Parang nakaka-relax kasi and nakakagaan ng damdamin pag narinig mo talaga sa doctor saying na, kasi chinek niya si Paris and everything. He said like, oh, the baby is looking healthy. She's, the same color as you, pink, and she's passing, bowels, umiihi siya ng normal, ganun. So, she is totally fine. Sabi lang niya na, unfortunately, babies go through this phase na yun bang nag-spit up and vomit dahil nga immature pa yung, yung tiyan nila. And, alam ko, Celine is my second baby, right? But with Ate Paris kasi, guys, parang hindi ko na experience yun. The experience is totally different sa dalawang babies namin. So, that's why sobra ako natakot, kinabahan nung nangyari iyon. But then, hearing the assurance from the doctor na it's totally fine. Hopefully, it will go within, 6 months to 12 months, it will go. But for now, just make sure na, anong tawag dito? She's gaining weight and all, and she's doing that. She's gaining weight, guys. Kaya sabi ng doctor, you don't have to worry about anything right now. As you can see, tingnan nyo, tumatawa pa, oh. As you can see, she is, like, happy, and she doesn't look bothered at all. So, we're fine. So, ayan. At least ngayon, hindi na ako magpapanik na kapag nag-ano siya, nag-vomit. Kasi normal lang daw. Nak, no? Malalaman mo daw kapag yung baby ay, may problema. Kasi alam niyo yung jaundice, guys, yung parang nag-yellow siya. It's because the liver is not working well at hindi daw nakakaudo yung baby kapag may problema. Kasi pag may blockage sa intestine or something like that. But, thanks God we don't have that. She's pooing and peeing well. She's sleeping well, as you can see. As you can see, she's got no jaundice at all. She's a normal color. And naalis na tayo kasi ang ating baby isa doon, hindi na makapaghintay. Alright, tita. We'll see you again later. We'll go for a walk kasi ang ganda ng araw. We're going. Ayan siya, Mas komportable talaga yan siya kapag nakalabas kahit yung isang kamay lang niya. Hindi siya sinaswaddle talaga ng fully. Ayun na yung dalawa. Hindi na kami magdadala ng pram ni Paris Yang. Maglalakad na lang yan siya. Si big girl na. Let's just cross this one day. Medyo mahangin. There you go. Close and fully. Ang ganda ng araw ba? This is very strange. Kahapon sobrang ulan. Ginaw. Come on, sweetheart.
I can't be the.
We're not at the end yet. Come on, let's get to the end.
Careful, anak. May usapan pala sila ng tatay niya. Maglalakad siya. Ibigyan siya ng surprise. Well done, sweetheart.
I didn't win $2.
You deserve one.
This was saying, those parents be a good girl.
What does it say?
The parents need to be a good girl then.
Oh, Paris needs to be a good girl. Is that what it says in there?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
May pa ka nakabasa ka na. Di ko kabasa na, oy.
I got blue. Yeah.
Muna yung gasolina para madagan siya. Gulang naman ka na ko, eh.
Why?
Hindi na kinaya ng powers. She's tired na. Sabi niya sa daddy niya, Daddy, I'm kinda tired. Kinda tired daw. Big girl naman ka, nak. Oh, you're as big as daddy. Dahil sa lagi ang papa. Wala akong dala nag-pram. We're nearly there naman, sad guys. There, 1 block away. And we're there. Such a perfect day for a walk. Wanna come down first? Happy face?
Ice cream.
Yummy? Got our drinks. Daddy Mike's having. What are you having?
Oatmeal latte. With some honey. Honey?
Yes. And I've got my iced chocolate. So as Paris. Dito lang muna kami, guys. Upo-upo. Relax muna. Punta kami ng Woolworths after this. But our baby girl, our ate na pala, is putting on a shower.
Do it like a drum dance.
Like a drum.
Okay, do it.
Barbie na lang, Barbie.
Bobby dance.
I'm a Barbie girl.
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
Okay, go.
I'm a Barbie girl. I'm a Barbie one. Keep on brush my hair. Brush me everywhere. Where's the rats?
Come on, Barbie. Let's go party.
No, I don't want. I'm a Barbie girl.
Okay.
I didn't for mirror.
Do a big spin.
Someone put a comment on YouTube that Paris is on tune compared to her.
Do a spin.
Oh.
Go. Wow.
Wow. Ito kita kang Gary V na. Wow.
Do a jump.
And our little one is here. Still with very dark one. Guys. Hindi makita. Ayan.
Jump over the stick. Oh, I know what you can do. Go hang on the bars.
At nag-order pala kami ng ano. Open this one. Sa bahay ko na lang siguro ito kainin. Yes! Don't see properly. What's this one about? Cheesecake? Passion fruit?
Passion fruit. Passion.
Cheesecake.
Like that. Passionate cake. Well done.
Oh, that's fun.
Have a look at this now.
Look at Mummy's got.
Wait.
It's cake.
Yummy cake.
It's so sticky.
It's okay.
That's a rubble cake.
Am I gonna hold it?
I love this one. I'm actually don't give it to Paris, Mum. I want to have it.
That?
No, Paris can't eat it. Only I want to eat it.
Come, cause I need to be careful because it's sticky and seeds.
I don't want. You're not allowed to eat it. Only me and Mum can eat this one
You have to be careful though.
because it's too yummy for you. Oh, jelly.
The kind.
It's a jelly.
Yummy, yummy.
I love jelly.
Do you love jelly, babe?
Yes, the kind of sticky.
The kind of sticky?
Love jelly.
This is rubber jelly.
Rubble jelly.
It's funny when Paris talks now,
Am I gonna
guys.
get a fork?
Yeah, I don't think we can eat it like that, Daddy. What, you're gonna go, Jamie?
No, I'm not gonna go to the other guys, am I? Hi, mate. Come on. I'll go get a fork.
Oh, my scissors. I can do it
What's
with
that din ng ano, tenedor?
I can do it with my hands.
It's very hard with your hands.
No, yeah. Delicious.
Delicious?
What's inside? What's
You
the
see, it's very hard because there's plastic there. I think you can remove. Yan na po. Wow. Wow. Yan ako, asa to nak? Nak, get the paper. Mama, the paper. Paper bag. Thank you. The wind blew it away.
I put it in plastic.
I put it in the paper bag. Okay. Thank you. Do it properly. Push it. Push it down. Push it down. Put it in the bin. There you go.
Oh, so sticky.
So yummy.
Where's the black one?
Wow, that's a seed. Paris? What are you getting? You don't know. Well, hindi na kami sasama ni baby Celine sa loob. Sila na lang. Dalawa. Dito na lang kami sa labas. Intay-intay pag may time. Habang tulog pa ang ating baby girl. Alibusong na po niyo makamata. Look. Nakalabas na ang dalawang kamay, oh.
Chicken.
She's got
Mom,
this.
get toys.
Ask her again, Daddy. Ask her again, Daddy.
So what do you have to do? What do you have to do before you eat that?
Eat strawberries and dinosaur chicken.
That's right. And what about if you want a big bag of toys? What do you have to do?
Eat.
No. What do you have to do?
Then I'm gonna take let's
She
get off.
remembers, guys,
Let's go.
before siya makakain yan,
Let's
she has to
No,
eat
no, no, no.
strawberry
We're
first.
gonna walk. Come on, come on.
It's getting cold, the air. The wind is blowing. Come on, anak. Trapo na lang si ilong nakbe. Daddy, wipe her nose, please, Daddy. Here, this serviette here. Yeah. Baby, wipes the nose, be. Wait, Baba. Hala, wala, very naughty, ha? Ah, naibiyaan ta ka, eh. Bye. Come na. Let's wipe because the nose is gone all bleeding. Come on.
I want to play.
I know. Oh, nadog na. Kaayo na. Ba? Be, look at mommy. That's better.
My,
Yes.
I just want to go to the book one.
Where do you want to go?
The book.
The book.
Then I want to find the book.
Which book?
Then I want to like the bookshops.
Oh, you want to go to the bookshops? Oh, bookworm ka na? You go to the library?
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to read books?
Yeah.
Okay. What book would you like to read, sweetheart?
I want to read lots of books.
Lots of books. Okay, we'll tell Daddy. Go, tell Daddy, go. Where do you want to go?
Dad, I want to go to the bookshop.
Okay.
At least ha, sa lahat ng gusto niyong puntahan, bookshop. She wants to read a lot of books, she said.
I like books.
What's your favorite book, honey?
I love Paw Patrol.
Paw Patrol.
Dalmatians.
I love Paw
Well,
Mahilig yun talaga siya sa libro.
I was crying.
A few moments later.
But do the music. Did I do? The music.
Nung nang bulingit, oh.
Basically just
Hello, princess. Give mommy a smile.
baby Celine.
Baby Celine, baby Celine, baby Celine, bulingit ka.
Baby Celine loves the music.
Does she?
Yeah.
Does she? Hello, princess ni mama. Hello, princess ni mama. Mabutang lang ka, Jut. Ah. Oh, tingnan nyo si Baby Paris, guys. Ate Paris, guys. Oh. Dalawa kasi yung binili namin na pacifier. Baby Celine won't take it. Siya yung gumagamit. Ay, nakbi. Ikaw, nakbi.
Huh?
Put in your mouth. Yucks. Tigo lang. Hello. May batang umiiyak. Kay nakapupo pala. Ayan. That side. Meron din. Si Daddy ang nakatoka kay Ate Paris. Si Mami dito sa ating bulilit na maliit. Ha? Kaya pala nag-iyak-iyak kay nakaudo, nak. Baby girl. Ni. Kaudo man ang baby di ay. Change tanak ha. Lit-lit na. Hindi lang napi. Newborn. Newborn. Hello, newborn. Hi. I can see you. I can see you, anak. Shh, 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 shh. Shh, 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 shh. Shh, 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 shh. Ate Paris to you. Ay, shush. Tagayti ang ating Ate Paris, guys. Ang ating little one ay nandun, oh. May... Sus, paiyak-iyak din. Ay, gosh! Ay, gosh! Nanti pa. I love you, Anna. I love you. See, where's that? Daddy is cooking dinner. Nagluluto si Daddy ng ano ng dinner. Ow, 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 ow! Ow, 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 ow! Talk to baby Celine ko. Go. It's okay, baby Celine. It's okay, baby Celine. It's okay, baby Celine. Go. Sige na. Time check tayo, guys. It's now 6:40 ng gabi. Gabi? 6:40.
6:40.
That's right. And show baby Celine. Look. Show baby Celine. Hello, tita. I just finished drinking my milk. Ang siya palangga. Ayan. So, yung gagawin namin ngayon, nanood pala ako ng voice ganda, guys. Stop muna natin. So, now, pupunta kami ng sasakyan kasi we are going to pick up our, mamas lang pala. Filipino food from Ate Richel ulit. Ayan. So, late na kaming pupunta kasi si Daddy Mike gusto niyang mag-dinner muna kami bago kami umalis. Kasi alam ko yung rason niya, guys. Kasi alam niya na pag nandito na yung mga pagkain from Ate Richel, yung mga macaroni salad, yung mga ganun, hindi ko nakakainin yung niluto niyang dinner. So sabi niya, mag-dinner muna kami bago kami alis. Baby, na mama, mamas. Baby. Ayan, kaya late kami pupunta, guys. Anyways, that's fine. Hindi naman masyadong malayo yung kinatan. Yes, honey. What is that, Baba?
This is so cold.
She's cold?
Yeah.
No, she's not cold.
Yes, I do.
Mama is cuddling her. Say hi, tita. Tito. Excuse me na. Hello, everyone. Hello. Oh. Ayaw, anak.
No, but you want it.
How are you, Baba? Come here, Nakbi. We'll see if you have the same face, Nak. Come here. Come here. Boo. Smile, Nak. Is she tickling, Nak? Ayan. So, aalis na kami para hindi na kami masyadong magabihan kasi sobrang dilim na sa labas. No? Sobrang dilim na sa labas. So, nakadidi na to siya para hindi siya umiyak sa sasakyan. Naka-burp. And, nag-change na ng nappy. So, hopefully, hindi to siya mag-cry Argentina. No? So, alam niya, guys, lutang pa rin si mami niyo kasi nga, diba, as mentioned, it's been a few nights na hindi nga maganda yung tulog natin, hindi straight yung tulog natin kasi nga yun ang nabasa ko sa sa internet to prevent daw yung yung frequent na spit ups and vomiting and all. Mas mabuti daw na parang liit-liitan yung pagbigay sa kanya ng milk but frequent ba. So usually yung ginagawa ko before is every 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours I'll give her milk. But, yeah, for the last few nights, yung ginagawa ko, parang just a little bit of milk, tapos in an hour time, bigyan ko na naman siya ng milk, ganun, para hindi maano yung tiyan niya. Kasi nga, sabi nga ng doktor na, yung mga babies, ganito, wala pa silang alam kung gaano karami yung makukonsume nila na milk. Especially ako, guys, I'm super lucky na yung supply ko ng milk is boy abunda. Boy abunda talaga, guys. Like, seriously, I have a lot of milk and I'm, super grateful for it. Pero yun na nga, kasi parang naisip niya, uy, ang dami. Tapos iniinom niya. Tapos yung yung tummy niya, hindi na makaya kasi sobrang dami na pala nang na-drink niya na milk. Kaya niya, nilalabas. So, ganun, pakunti-kunti na lang. Pero, frequent. Kaya, wala masyadong tulog si mami. But that's fine, anak, no? As long as my baby is happy. Is that right, ma? As long as my baby is healthy and happy and everything. Is that right, now? Come on. We're gonna make a move now, Tita and Tito. We're gonna go now, Tita and Tito. Say bye-bye. See you later when we come home. See you, Tita, Tita, Nanak. See you when we come back.
I got new hair.
Got a new hair. Here, babe. See. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Take off my.
Then let's go now. Say bye, Tita and Tito.
A few moments later.
Hello, people. What time is it now? What time is it now? Eat. Eating time. Time check tayo, guys, ha. It is, oh wow. It's already 10 o'clock ng gabi. And, nandito pa kami sa lunchroom kasi kakatapos ko lang sampay ng mga damit. Andyan, oh. Andyan. Tapos may isang load pa ako. Pabayaan ko na lang yan hanggang matapos. 1 hour lang naman. And then, nakapagbihis na ako. Ready na ako for bed. Ang ating baby girl ay hindi pa. Ayan. And sabi niya, she's not tired. Ang isa nating baby girl ay nandun. Kasi gusto ko itong siyang i-ready first. Kasi very, ano na yun siya, oh. Tingnan niyo. Ayan. Tulog na tulog kaya gusto kong i-ready muna si Ate Paris. And then, i-move ko to siya sa bed. Yes, baby. Very comfortable yan siya kasi tingnan nyo, nakaswaddle siyang ganyan. So, super warm din siya sa loob. My baby girl. May gatas pa sa labi, oh. This is the literal may gatas sa labi. You wanna turn it on? Ayan pa yung mga damit. Hindi ko pa natapos, oh. Tingnan nyo. I started, pero hindi natapos. Let's go. Let's say goodnight na, Tita and Tito.
I'll come to bed.
When you finish your popcorn, ayan, oh. Nag-ano pa siya ng ano?
When I finished.
When this one's finished?
It was doing that. And stop.
There's still 20 minutes there, anak. Taka naman ka.
I'm still watching a lot.
But we have to go to bed because baby Celine needs to go to bed. We have to change. We take this off, babe. Take this off.
What?
Yeah. You brush your teeth, or no, you haven't brushed your teeth as yet. We have to go brush your teeth. Yeah. Itchy? Yay. I'm gonna put the cream, okay?
No, not each.
Wanna itch? Wanna itch planggat nanay?
My nails are not long.
Yeah. Oh, we cut her nails. Be, show Tita and Tito. Kasi kanina sobrang haba. Uy. Sing sa I'm a Barbie girl, be.
I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world.
Life in plastic.
And then say that.
Come on, do it properly.
What?
You can brush my hair.
And everywhere.
Imagination.
And writing.
Come on, Barbie, let's get party.
Yeah.
Come on, Barbie, let's get party. Anyways, guys, let's do a shout out. Let's do a shout out. Para ma-end na natin. Anak to, oh my God of noise na. Awa, nagtingog na ang kuan. Senyora. Shout out to Efigenia Zarate, April Rose Romero, Floor TV, Rona May Gabrilio, Ray's Channel, Cheryl Molino, Tessie Diolanto, 3970071, Kim Jinwo, Angie Vihino, Eva Malabanan, Nenita Del Rosario, Lovely Dogomeo, Leticia Rogado, Kian Gonzalez, Naida Trofil, Emma Galera, LV Tan, Annabel Esperida, Arlene Hover, Yet Balino, Ramley Amber, Carrie Spencer, Medine Maraon, Emily, Mami R. Sofia, Virgie Salingay, and Maricar Castaneda. Ayan. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. Ayan ang isa, ang ating Daddy Mike ay naliligo. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can...
Bye-bye.